Right, so we're back. So it's looking like this. I'm just mixing it up a little bit just because it looked like it was a little runny on top. So I'm gonna put some on there. Okay. About like this, I guess. Okay, and then we're gonna add some filler. I've already kneaded it. I said you're supposed to knead it. This stuff is super strong. I don't know about that long on it. Sure, why not? Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid back on this can here. Definitely want to do this outdoors. Okay. Anyway, I guess just blend it together like this. Make sure it's all mixed really good. I think you got like a few minutes before this stuff really starts hardening, so you want to mix it really good. And I'm going to take it over to the car and apply it, hopefully, before it gets crazy. This Lexan seems to be working really good though. If you happen, I had some leftovers, so I'm just trying to get all of the stuff mixed. Okay, now I'm going to take it to the car and apply it. And let's see, where are we? Oh, okay. Where are we? There we go. Kind of right here. Yeah. So I don't know. I'm just gonna slather it on there, and we'll see what happens. Okay. I'll put some in there, and some in here. I was a little worried about scratching the paint job, but I'm like, you know what? I'll just fix it with some more of this if I have to. I just want to get this in there and down before it all starts drying, so yeah, hopefully this will clean off there. Let's see. Oh boy. Okay, at any rate, just kind of applying it and smoothing over it how we can, I guess. Yeah. Okay, it's kind of stringy. I don't know. Try and get it all off of there onto there here. So we might need to do a little bit more to fill in this. And then I think we can sand all this stuff too. So we're just trying to get that kind of filled. Yeah, I don't even know if you guys can see what I'm doing here. I'm trying. There's kind of a decent hole here, so I'm just trying to fill it in, and then trying to keep the excess from getting all over. So, shoot, I don't know exactly how you do this, but okay. I don't know, it's kind of hard to keep off the rest of it. But, trying here. Seems like if we had something to go over the whole thing. It might make it a little easier. But I don't know. That's how we learn, I guess, right? Just keep putting it on there, applying it, and we'll see what happens. Not the prettiest probably in the world. That's okay. At a certain point, a car, it's not really worth it to take it to the body shop to patch it, so it's just like the too much money on too cheap of a car, but you don't want it to rust, right? So this looks really bad right now, but I am thinking I'll wait. I'll clean off my putty knife. I'll wait for it to dry. I'll do another layer. Okay, right now you're saying this looks pretty horrible, and I would have to agree. I'm thinking a piece of plastic or something that would contour to the body of the car that's wider would work better. And I might be able to find something. Shoot, maybe even a piece of cardboard or something. It's going to contour to the body of the car and not be, you know, smaller like this and like this scraper and not really able to get it in there. So I think if you filled it in and then get the contour of the car down with I don't know, I'm thinking maybe even a piece of cardboard, but something. Anyway, we're gonna do a first layer. I believe it said something like let's see. Okay, 3 to 4 minutes. Do not add cream hardener to fill. Okay. Spread the initial thin layer of mixture over area. Use firm pressure. Okay, and tried. Let repair cure for 12 to 15 minutes. Okay. File excess material. Use sanding block with 30-inch sandpaper. Okay. Repair area to contours of original surface. Okay. Open any dry soft spots, dry fire pinholes with sharp knife, clean area. Okay. So basically, I'm gonna wait 12 to 15 minutes. The stuff that I got excess here, like I said, if I can just sand this stuff, I think. Maybe I'll try and wipe some of it off and clean it, and then sand anything else and I'll probably try and put a few more layers just to fill it out and maybe get like something to kind of go with the contour of the car. That's not, you know, like a small metal scraper. So I think something like silicone or something might work the best, but I think I had one somewhere in my house, but I can't find it now, of course, when I need it. So we'll be back after 10-15 minutes. Okay.